Here's everything you need to know about winter driveway care, protecting concrete from salt damage. Here's what you need to know. Salt damages concrete driveways through freeze-thaw cycles. Learn prevention strategies, seasonal maintenance, and repair costs to protect your investment. Quick answer: salt damage occurs when deicing chemicals penetrate concrete and water freezes inside, expanding and breaking apart the surface. Sealing 300 to 800 prevents 80% of damage. Repairs for salt-damaged concrete cost $1,500 to $5,000. Start fall maintenance by September and use magnesium chloride instead of rock salt. Winter in North Carolina brings freeze-thaw cycles that turn deicing salts into one of concrete's worst enemies. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Whether you're protecting a new driveway in Mooresville or repairing salt damage in Cary, understanding how salt harms concrete and how to prevent it will save you thousands in repair costs. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman area. Winter salt damage is one of the costliest maintenance problems for concrete driveways in NC's freeze-thaw climate. Scaling and spalling can progress a quarter-inch per winter season if untreated. The company operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Sealing a driveway costs $300 to $800 and can extend its life by 5 to 10 years, while repairing salt-damaged concrete runs $1,500 to $5,000, depending on severity. Proper winter care prevents the need for costly slab replacement. Moving on to how salt damages concrete. Salt doesn't directly eat concrete. Instead, salt disrupts the freeze-thaw cycle that water naturally undergoes in winter. When you apply rock salt, sodium chloride, or calcium chloride to an icy driveway, these chemicals lower the freezing point of water from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit. This means water continues to absorb into the concrete and remain liquid at temperatures where it would normally freeze solid. Once the temperature drops further, below the deicing salt's effective range, that water freezes inside the concrete's pores. When water freezes, it expands with approximately 9% force. This expansion creates pressure inside the concrete matrix. If the concrete's pore structure isn't designed to handle this pressure, more on that below, the surface begins to break apart in a process called scaling. The top 1/8 inch or so flakes away in small sheets. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.